I think it's unanimous. We dig vintage motorcycles of the 1960s. Powerful, groundbreaking. Let's look at 7 more bikes from the great decade of the 60s. The Yamaha YDS3, Kawasaki H1 Mach III, Ducati 350 Desmo, BSA Lightning A65, Honda CB750, Triumph Tiger 100, Suzuki T20 Super Six. There's something here for everyone. First up, the 1965 Yamaha YDS3, a staple of Yamaha's two-stroke twin lineup. The YDS3 became an instant hit with both recreational and competitive riders. Powered by a 250 cubic centimeters engine, this bike produced around 24 horsepower, delivering quick acceleration and a thrilling ride. The YDS3 had a racing-inspired design that made it both fast and stylish. Its lightweight frame made it easy to handle, while the 5-speed gearbox provided smooth shifting through gears. With its advanced suspension and great handling, the YDS3 quickly became a favorite in racing circles, and its reliability made it perfect for daily riders. The Yamaha YDS3 was the kind of bike you dreamed of: fast, fun, and dependable. It's a great example of Yamaha's commitment to performance and innovation in the world of motorcycles. Next, we have the 1969 Kawasaki H1 Mach III. This bike shook up the motorcycle world with its raw power and aggressive styling. Powered by a 500 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine, the H1 Mach III produced around 60 horsepower, making it one of the fastest bikes of its era. The Mach III wasn't just fast, it was a beast. Known for its high-revving engine, the bike could reach top speeds of 120 miles per hour, a milestone in the 1960s. Its bold, aggressive design, with its sleek bodywork and triple exhaust, made it stand out from the crowd. It had the power to outpace almost anything else on the road, making it an instant sensation among sport bike enthusiasts. Let's shift to Italy, the 1967 Ducati 350 Desmo. Ducati's Desmodromic valve system, which was revolutionary at the time, made its debut on this bike. It had a 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, producing around 27 horsepower, enough to give the bike great acceleration while maintaining a lightweight feel. With its Italian flair, the 350 Desmo was a stunning example of Ducati's engineering prowess. Its compact frame, sleek lines, and distinctive exhaust design made it a popular choice for both racers and everyday riders. The Desmo was known for its reliability and high-revving engine, making it a favorite for those who wanted a bit more performance out of their ride. Even today, Ducati's Desmo technology continues to be part of their high-performance bikes, but this 350 model is a true classic. Next up, the 1968 BSA Lightning A65. BSA, a legendary British brand, released the A65 Lightning as one of their flagship bikes. Powered by a 654 cubic centimeters engine, the A65 produced around 50 horsepower. Quite a lot for its time. The Lightning was all about power and style. It featured a high-performance engine, robust suspension, and a distinctive sound that made it popular among both casual and serious riders. It combined classic British design with the spirit of the 60s, making it a standout in the cafe racer scene. The BSA Lightning A65 would have been a great bike for those who wanted something with a bit of muscle and British charm. Its deep exhaust note and powerful performance left an impression. We've now come to one of the most groundbreaking motorcycles of all time and one of my personal favorites, the 1969 Honda CB750. Often called the original superbike, this bike redefined performance for the modern era. The CB750 pumped out a solid 67 horsepower, setting new standards for speed, reliability, and innovation. The CB750 was Honda's first big success in the American market and the first bike to feature a front disc brake, which revolutionized stopping power. It also had an electric starter, a rare feature at the time, making it easier for riders to get on the road quickly. The bike's design was clean and elegant, with an impressive reputation for reliability. This was the bike that really set the stage for the Japanese motorcycle industry to take over the world. If you were around in the late 60s, this was the bike everyone was talking about. Next up, the 1964 Triumph Tiger 100, a true classic. This bike was designed for riders who wanted a bit of off-road capability without sacrificing performance on the streets. Powered by a 498 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Tiger 100 produced around 38 horsepower. With its lightweight frame, the Tiger 100 was a favorite for both casual riders and those seeking adventure on rougher terrain. It was an excellent all-around motorcycle, and its versatility made it one of Triumph's most popular models of the 1960s. For those of you who remember the thrill of the open trail, the Triumph Tiger 100 offered the perfect balance of performance and durability, while still looking sharp on city streets. Finally, let's take a look at the 1966 Suzuki T20 Super Six, a legendary bike in the world of two-strokes. The T20 was powered by a 250 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, producing a lively 26 horsepower. What made it special? The Super Six had exceptional acceleration, making it perfect for riders who wanted something quick and agile. With its light and compact frame, the T20 Super Six was a favorite in the sport bike category. Suzuki was known for its two-stroke engines, and the T20's unique sound and zippy performance quickly made it a hit. It was reliable, fun, and very affordable. For riders in the 60s looking for a bike with a bit more pep and handling, the Suzuki T20 was the answer. It had a simple yet striking design and was beloved by both new and experienced riders alike. And there you have it, more vintage motorcycles from the 1960s that continue to inspire modern riders. These bikes helped shape the world of motorcycling and still hold a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts today. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic motorcycle content. And leave us a comment. What's your favorite bike from the 60s?